Many of us carry stress in our bodies without even realizing it. When our system is overstimulated, we experience racing thoughts, tension in the body, a sense of restlessness, and breathing that feels tight and confined to our chest. This state keeps us in survival mode, even when there is no actual danger present. Our breath offers us a direct pathway back to calm. By consciously shifting how we breathe, we can send signals of safety to our nervous system and return to a state of ease. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through 4 simple breathing techniques, each chosen to gently slow down your breath, soften the body, and help the nervous system shift from doing to simply being. This gentle practice is designed to bring you back into balance. So, whenever you feel ready, let's get started. Find a comfortable cross-legged seated position and sit on a folded blanket to elevate your hips slightly. Allow your spine to be tall but not rigid. Settle into your seat, roll your shoulders back and down. Soften your jaw and allow your eyes to close or soften your gaze toward the floor. Take one natural breath here, just as you are. Let's begin our practice. We start by reconnecting with the foundation of calm breathing, the breath that moves deep into your belly. Rest one hand gently on your abdomen. As you breathe in, feel your belly softly expand outward into your palm like a balloon filling with air. As you breathe out, feel the belly naturally draw back in. There is no force here, just an invitation for the breath to travel deeper. Continue this for several rounds. Inhale, the belly rises. Exhale, the belly softens. Again, breathing in, the belly expands. Breathing out, the belly relaxes. Continue this movement at your own pace. Notice if anything has already begun to shift. Perhaps the shoulders have dropped or your jaw has relaxed. This simple act of breathing from the belly is one of the most direct ways to move from a state of stress into a state of calm. Slowly bring your palm back to rest on your knee. Our next practice is called the 3-part inhale. It is a beautiful way to expand your breath capacity and create more space in the body. This technique trains the lungs to take in more air, increases oxygen flow, and sharpens your focus and concentration. Let me explain how it works and then we will move through it together. Come back to your natural breath. This time, I invite you to divide your inhale into 3 parts. Begin by breathing into the lower belly and pause there for 2 to 3 seconds. Then continue that same inhale up into the ribs, letting them expand outward, and pause again. Now complete the breath by filling all the way up to the collarbones to comfortable capacity. Hold gently at the top. and then release the breath in one long, smooth, continuous exhale. Let it all go. Let's try again. Inhale into the belly. Pause. Continue into the ribs. Pause. Fill to the top. Hold gently. And exhale slowly, emptying completely from top to bottom. Think of it like filling a vessel from the bottom up. Slow, smooth breathing without rushing. Continue for a few more rounds at your own pace. Inhale in 3 parts, pause between each, and release in one steady exhale. After your last exhale, return to your natural breathing and simply notice. Notice the spaciousness you have created. Notice how the body feels when you give it room to expand. Our next practice is known as Chandra Bhedana Pranayama or lunar breathing. It's a gentle way to quiet the mind and soothe an overactive nervous system. Chandra means moon, and this practice activates the cooling, calming energy within us, the lunar channel that runs through the left side of the body. Bring your left hand in Chin Mudra and rest it on your knee. Now bring your right hand up and use your thumb to close your right nostril or fold down your index and middle finger, whatever feels comfortable. Now close your right nostril with your right thumb and inhale slowly and smoothly through your left nostril only. At the top of the breath, close both nostrils briefly. Now release your thumb and exhale through your right nostril. That's one round. Let's continue for a few more rounds. Inhale from the left. Close both your nostrils. Hold there for a moment. And exhale from the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Close both nostrils. Hold briefly. Exhale through the right. Now find your own sustainable rhythm. Continue for few more rounds. If it feels comfortable, try extending your exhale to be longer than your inhale. One final round. Inhale left. Pause. Exhale right. And when you are ready, lower your hand and breathe naturally for a moment. Observe any subtle shifts in your energy, perhaps a coolness, a softening, a sense of settling. Our final breathing practice is called Bhramari Pranayama, the humble bee breath. In Sanskrit, Bhramari means bee, named for the gentle humming sound we create during the exhale. This practice is wonderfully simple and deeply soothing. The vibration of the hum resonates through the body, calming the nervous system and quieting the mind. Closing your eyes, inhale fully through both nostrils. As you exhale, keep your lips gently closed and create a soft, steady humming sound like the buzz of a bee. Let the hum last for entire length of your exhale. Let's try. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale with a hum. Feel the gentle vibration in your throat, your face, perhaps even your chest. Again, inhale. Exhale. Continue at your own pace for few more rounds. One last round. Inhale. Exhale. When you feel complete, let the humming fade and return to silent, natural breathing. Allow your breath to flow freely now, without any control. Simply sit in the stillness you have cultivated. Notice how you feel compared to when you began. Perhaps there is more space between your thoughts. Perhaps your body feels lighter or more grounded. Remember, your breath is a tool that is always available to you. Whenever life feels overwhelming, you can return to these simple practices, or even just a few conscious deep breaths to find your center again. If you would like, take a moment now to set a quiet intention for the rest of your day. Something simple. Perhaps, I move through this day with ease. I return to my breath when I need grounding. Repeat it silently to yourself a few times and let it settle within you. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Carry this calm with you. Namaste.